Right, let's play. And on the leg side. No need to overcook it early in this run chase. Off the mark.
First few deliveries.
Clipped away, timed properly enough to get 4.
This time they decide to go first up with one.
Through the field in that cover region, it was struck firmly. And again, in white ball cricket, got stumped. Stumped beautiful. Let the ball grip from the surface. That was short with pace on. And no protection in that deep fine leg position because the man is inside the 30-yard circle. Short. In the air for a while and away from the fielder. That's another boundary.
Run out opportunity back in time. This was an opportunity. Mane was keen for a single. He was nowhere near the frame.
Lofted shot.
The runs are coming in. They're keeping up with that run rate. Not a very good effort down there in the deep. Let's play that over, long on. That's a maximum. For a moment, I thought that might not go all the way. I think that's taken the top edge of the bat.
And what Basit Ali has to think here, hang on, I can't hit my way to 170 here. They've found themselves so far ahead. That is the fastest 50, so his 50 comes up.
Non-striker direct, yes, gone. It's got to be out. Johan is unhappy with Basit.
And always send him back. Yeah, there's a little bit of hesitation. He's not happy. Look, hands up in the air. Oh, it's a full toss. Put away.
Shot. Will be runs here. He's beaten backward point, and that's a boundary. This outfield is quick. Oh, that's a very good shot. That's deliberately played over that cover.
It's a clever shot. See some of the best players in the world playing that.
Up and over, in and out, and that's 4. And he's playing with a bit of aggression, but this one.
And Mohammad Shan taking this big wicket of the captain Ubaid Shahid. He was not out in the last chase for Royals, but not this time.
That's a beauty, a real beauty, out of nowhere.
Shahwez Irfan, he scored 18 not out in the last chase. Inside edge onto the stumps. And that's what we are talking about, 2 wickets in 1 over. And the match has totally turned.
Gone for the big shot. And gets hold of it.
That's the 6 again. It was short delivery and he can generate so much power from the back foot. Such an impressive find.
Powered. And goes all the way for 6.
Extremely impressive shot there by Farhan Yusuf. He has not batted yet in this tournament. The first time he comes out, couple of wickets down for the team in the last over. He comes out, plays this wonderful shot.
Slapped. Wide of long on.
Even if you get hit from the fuller length, it's okay because Basit Ali, we have seen from 2 matches, is really good on the short delivery.
Oh, it's nicely played. Good piece of fielding as well, athletic. There it is. They needed a wicket, a good piece of keeping again.
Yeah, it's the wicket keeping that sticks out for me here. Would have been partly unsighted, but he's done well. Moved down the leg side. He stayed low. And straight into the gloves. Whips off the bails in no time at all.
This is a beautiful looking shot.
It's been outstanding in his innings all the way throughout, Corky. Is what you've said. He hasn't tried to hit it too hard. He understands. Mid-off is up in the circle. If I just hit it well enough straight, I'm going to get myself a boundary.
Oh, does he get enough of this? I think he does. He times it beautifully and he'll fly it all the way. They needed an early boundary and they've got an early boundary and it's a maximum.
This is a good shot. Again, hasn't looked to force it. The line was wrong, so was the length. He's just opened up that front leg to allow himself to access that deep mid-wicket boundary. Clears it comfortably.
A little bit of advice. I'm not sure he gets enough of this one. Maybe does. Yeah, he does. Back-to-back sixes. So release of pressure.
Yeah, Shaan's getting the lengths wrong here. And that's why he's going. He's allowing him to get under the ball. We're talking about Yorkers in that last over. Get the Yorkers in.
He's gone short. In the air. Should be out. Is out. Not a great catch.
After he's been put away those first couple of deliveries. But yeah, you can see he's deliberately bowled that into the pitch. And this is a good catch. Always going away from him. And difficult to judge when that ball's going off your shoulder.
Oh, just cut it away for a boundary.
Wow. Not the ball you want to be bowling last ball of the over with.
In the air. Pressure. What pressure? Hit it out the park.
Eight runs required now.
Gets it through. 100. What a performance from Basit Ali. 50 in the first game, 100 in the second game. He's 100 off 56 deliveries, 12 fours and 4 sixes. Take a bow, young man.
He has single-handedly controlled the innings, got himself to 100 in just 56 balls. And now, just 3 runs away from victory for his team. Outstanding. Half century in the first innings, 100 in the second, and on the verge of a fantastic victory.
Chipped. Should pick up 2. Will pick up 2. There's a slip, so... Oh, will be a victory given a no ball, but what a way to win. Look at the team coming in. Basit Ali, take a bow. 100 in your second game, and back-to-back wins for the Royals. They win by 5 wickets, and Tino, what a performance.
I'm lost for words, Corky. I am lost for words. Unbelievable chase.